I didn't want to tell you what I will tell you now before your girl. But Oga, I think you're in trouble.
It is your forefathers that are in trouble. Stop getting on my nerves. You bought condom for me. That means I've been busy. So let me rest.
By the time I finish telling you what I want to tell you now, we will know whether it is the condom you'll be worried about or something else. I saw Okoisi. And he told me everything. Yes, he told me everything that transpired between the two of you. How you made your first fast money. No, I've seen it now. Mr. Hard Worker. Well done.
Are you for real?
I'm for fake. In fact, you know, you're even lucky. Just one thing made me change my mind because he pressured me to give him your address. But for some reason, I did not do that.
Arinze, you must not do that. On no account, no matter what, he must not know where I stay.
No?
Please.
I will. Yes? Since I came here, since I started living with you, have you been treating me well? No, I'm begging. Since I'm going to get man, I sent me to the gate.
Listen, blood is thicker than water. You must not tell him my whereabouts, okay?
Blood is thicker than water. When they go involved, forget blood and thicker than water. Now water can be thicker than blood. They go involved. I will collect money and tell him where you are.
If you tell him where I stay, he will hurt me. Don't you understand?
Have you not been hurting me since I came here? No, check in now. You have been hurting me. So, I'm going to
this is internal hurt. Please, don't give him my address, okay?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.